Hi, my name is Myra Caguete, your Pinay English teacher here on YouTube, and welcome to another video where I am going to be teaching you 3 common phrasal verbs with look. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to that so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Makinig kayong maigi because at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you an exercise para ma-check ninyo, ma-test ninyo ang inyong mga sarili kung meron ba kayong naintindihan sa i-discuss ko today. Okay, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a group of words that acts as a verb. Ibig sabihin, ito ay grupo ng mga salita na ginagamit o umaakto bilang verb sa sentence. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus an adverb. Examples: wake up, turn off, sit down. It can also be a combination of a verb plus a preposition. Examples: put on, give in, run into. Or it's a combination of a verb plus an adverb plus a preposition. For example, look forward to. When you use those combined words together, they take on different meaning from the original verb. Ibig sabihin, kapag pinagsama-sama ninyo na ang mga salitang look forward to, halimbawa, ay mag-iiba ang kahulugan niya kaysa sa original verb na ginamit ninyo. Look forward to means to be excited about something that's going to happen. Iba sa kahulugan ng verb na look na ang ibig sabihin ay tingin. At tandaan natin na ang isang phrasal verb ay maaaring magkaroon ng iba't ibang definitions or meanings. Sa video na ito, i-discuss ko yung mga common definitions ng mga phrasal verbs na ibibigay ko sa inyo. The first phrasal verb on our list is look up to. So, pwede niyong dagdagan niya ng someone. Look up to someone. Kasi ginagamit yung phrasal verb na ito to talk about a person. Based on Longman Dictionary, look up to or look up to someone means to respect or admire someone. You admire someone, you respect someone, you idolize someone for his values and qualities. Ibig sabihin, nirerespeto mo, iniidolo mo ang isang tao dahil sa kanyang katangian. For example, I look up to my father. Okay, so look up to, and then yung someone dyan is my father. Masasabi ko na marami akong natutunan sa tatay ko nung buhay pa siya. He would always remind me to value education. Kasi ang tatay ko, hindi siya talaga nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. I think nakatapos siya ng, hindi siya nakatungtong ng high school, nakatapos siya ng elementary. Pero talagang gustong-gusto niyang matuto, gustong-gusto niya talagang mag-aral nung nabubuhay pa siya or nung bata pa siya. Hindi siya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Another example, I look up to Kyla for her courage and determination. So, look up to, and then someone. Yung someone dyan is Kyla. Kaya kung gusto nyong banggitin yung dahilan, yung mga qualities na meron ang isang tao kung bakit mo siya ina-admire, bakit mo siya iniidolo o nire-respeto, you can say, I look up to someone, I look up to her, or I look up to, and then you can mention the name, and then for. For, tapos yung qualities na meron ng taong yon. Okay? Yung someone dyan, pwede yang maging noun or pronoun. So, sa sentence na to, Kyla is a noun kasi pangalan siya ng tao. Another example, a lot of people started to look up to him when they found out that he had donated millions of pesos to the charity. Look up to, and then someone. Yung someone sa sentence na yan is him, which is a pronoun. The second phrasal verb on our list is look down on. Look down on someone or something. Someone or something kasi pwede nyong gamitin yung phrasal verb na to para sa tao o or sa isang bagay or sa hindi tao. And according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, look down on someone or something means to think of or to treat someone or something as unimportant or not worthy of respect. So, paano ba ito sa Filipino? When you look down on someone, parang minamata mo or minamaliit mo ang isang tao o ang isang bagay. Kumbaga mababa ang pagtingin mo sa isang tao o sa isang bagay. For example, some highly educated people look down on those that didn't finish their studies. Ibig sabihin yan, may mga ilang taong mayroong mataas na pinag-aralan na mababa ang tingin doon sa mga taong hindi nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Look down on someone. Okay? So, yung someone dyan is yung those. That is a pronoun. Okay? Yung those dyan pertains to the people that did not finish their studies. Another example, my colleagues looked down on my skills when I was new in the company. So, look down on and then something. Okay, something kasi skills is not a person. Okay, look down on something, look down on my skills. Ibig sabihin yan is minaliit na mga katrabaho ko ang aking kakayahan nung bago pa lang ako sa kumpanya. The third one is look after. Look after someone or something. So, ibig sabihin, pwede niyong gamitin yung phrasal verb na to sa tao or sa hindi tao. To look after someone or something means to act as a protector or a caretaker of someone or something, generally for a limited period of time or temporarily. Or simply to take care of someone or something. Halimbawa, magbabakasyon ang kapitbahay mo, pagkatapos hindi niya pwedeng dalhin ang kanyang pusa, and your neighbor asks you a favor. Pwedeng sabihin ng kapitbahay mo sa'yo, can you please look after my cat while I'm on vacation? Look after, and then my cat. Yung my cat dyan is yung something. So, ibig sabihin yan, pwede bang bantayan mo muna ang pusa ko habang ako ay nasa bakasyon? I asked the security officer to look after my luggage. Look after, and then something. Yung something dyan is my luggage. Another example, my mother looks after my 2-year-old son while I'm at work. So, look after, and then someone. Yung someone dyan is my son, my 2-year-old son. Look after someone. Now, let's start with the exercise. Please click the like button if you learned something new from this video. You can also share this with your friends dun sa mga taong sa palagay ninyo ay interesado matuto ng English. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye!